Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Alex Gabory, and every year, as winter approaches, I love to share sweater weather hairstyles. These are just quick, easy, beautiful looks that pair wonderfully with your favorite sweaters. But before we get started, don't forget, leave a comment and let me know which of these looks was your favorite. All right. Let's get started. This time of year, your hair requires some extra TLC, so it's very important to use some intense hydrating products. You want to protect your hair, keep it hydrated, and keep it feeling smooth and silky. Now, today's video is sponsored by Grow Gorgeous. This morning, I used their Intense range. You already know this has been a staple in my hair routine for over 2 years because this helps you get fuller, thicker, healthier hair. And if you're not familiar with Grow Gorgeous, they're proudly vegan and these products are free of silicones, parabens, and sulfates. So I just finished washing my hair using the Intense Thickening Shampoo. Typically in the winter, my hair is very flat and this is caffeine enriched, so it helps lift your root, it adds volume to your hair, and it gives you that nice, soft, healthy finish. But personally, my favorite thing, my biggest tip, is to alternate once per week between a conditioner and a hair mask. I just find it easiest to hair mask in the shower. Otherwise, I'll forget. Now, this is one of my favorite hair masks because it's so unique. This one you apply to your hair and your scalp. Traditional hair masks you apply from your mid-lengths down, but especially during these drier months, your scalp needs that extra hydration, similar to your skin. Plus, I find that this really helps with frizz, especially along my hairline. Now, I use a generous amount and I just focus this on my mid-lengths down and then I work it into my scalp. And it has like a really nice moisturizer type texture, so it's really easy to spread all throughout. And typically I recommend leaving a hair mask on for about 3 to 5 minutes. It's perfect. And then rinse thoroughly and right away you'll be able to feel how soft your hair is. And then lastly, my favorite part of my hair routine, I'm just going to apply about 10 drops of the Hair Density Serum all throughout my scalp and hairline, and then I'm just going to massage it in. And this contains hyaluronic acid, which is going to help moisturize your scalp, as well as caffeine, which is going to help give the root some lift. And no, this does not leave behind any residue. I'm just going to apply a little bit extra to my mid-lengths and ends. And I use this as part of my morning skincare routine. So you can apply this on dry hair and you'll still get the same benefits. So my hair is already almost dry. I'm just going to finish it off with a blow dryer and then I will show you the results. And then to finish off the look, I'm just going to add a healthy bend to my hair by doing my faux blow technique. This is so quick. Here we are. I love how full and smooth my hair feels. It just looks so healthy and shiny. This is the perfect base for any hairstyle. And as always, I will leave links to the products in the description down below so you can shop them at Ulta and learn more. And I would love if you left a comment and let me know any of your tips and tricks to keep your hair healthy during the winter. All right, so hair is prepped. Let's turn around and start some hairstyles. First up is a cute half-up double bun. So place your thumbs just below your temples and trace upwards towards the back of your head. And tracing on an angle will help keep more hair down in your lower section. And then pull out any face framing pieces before completely sectioning off your hair. And smoothing it back with just your fingers will keep everything nice and soft. And then I like to place a hair clip underneath my section before securing it with a hair elastic. This just really helps prevent any stray hairs from getting tangled. Once secure, hold your elastic with one hand and pinch and pull on the hair around your crown to add movement and volume. Okay, the fun part. Grab just below your hair elastic with your left hand and then fold your ponytail up, and then with your left hand, pinch your hair into a bun shape. And then fold your hair down and pinch again. So now you should have 2 buns like this. Now, if your ends are still hanging out, loop them underneath your lower bun and then pinch them into your left hand. Now, this step can be a little tricky, but take a small hair elastic and loop it over your bottom bun to secure everything into place. Okay, how cute! So just fan out your buns, loosen them up, and to finish off the look, grab a small piece of hair from underneath your bun and just tightly wrap it clockwise around your hair elastic, and then secure it into place by sliding a bobby pin up through the underside of your hair elastic. And use your favorite hair oil to smooth away any flyaways. And there you have it. I love this half up look. It's so beautiful and unique and can be recreated as a low bun. Next is a classic bun, and it's so beautiful paired with high neck sweaters. So begin by combing all of your hair back into a low ponytail about ear height. You want it up off of your neck, and using only your fingers will keep the look soft and effortless. My favorite. Oh, and don't forget those face framing pieces. Next, use a strong hair elastic. I used 2, and begin securing your hair. And on that last loop, cross your elastic at the top and pull your ponytail only partially through to create a small bun. Now, you can fan it out slightly, but you don't want this to be too big. And of course, pinch and pull on the hair around your crown and sides just to help add more movement and volume, or keep it sleek if you like. Then gather your ends and bring them to the left side and gently twist them clockwise, and then begin loosely wrapping them clockwise around your bun. And once you've went around once, you can tightly twist your ends, and then the second time around, wrap them behind your twist. All right, make sure you secure your ends into place first, and then secure the rest of your bun to your head. And I'm just using French pins. They hold wonderfully, but bobby pins work great too. Now, if your elastic is showing like mine, just fan out your bun and secure it with a pin. Just make sure it slides through your elastic so it stays in place. Okay, how beautiful yet simple. This is a great go-to hairstyle and can be worn for so many different occasions. Lastly, a beautiful braided ponytail, and it's much easier than it looks. So place your thumb behind your ears and trace to where you want your ponytail to sit. I wanted mine to sit just above ear height. And then scoop up the rest of your hair, joining it in, and pull out any face framing pieces. Next, tightly secure your hair into a ponytail, and this time to add volume, what I did is place my hands just above my ponytail, push tightly against my head while pushing up, and this will create soft, smooth volume versus the pinch and pull. Now, to conceal your elastic, wrap a small piece of hair around it a couple of times, and then wrap your ends around a bobby pin and secure it into place underneath your hair elastic. Now, the braid. Divide your ponytail down the middle into 2 equal sections, and I like to squeeze my sections just to ensure that they're similar size and length. Now, place your left section out of the way for now, and then divide your right section down the middle again into 2 equal pieces. And we're going to rope braid, but I'm going to break it down, make it nice and easy. To begin, tightly twist your right section clockwise 1 to 2 times, and then bring it left, so counterclockwise over your left piece. And then repeat. Wrap your new right piece clockwise 1 to 2 times, and then bring it left counterclockwise over your left piece. And then you want to repeat this all the way down. But how I remember the rope braid is you twist both your sections the same direction and then wrap them the opposite direction. So twist clockwise, wrap counter. And you only need to twist one section at a time. I hope this helps. Now, once you reach the bottom, secure it with a hair elastic and repeat on the left side. It's the same. So twist your right section clockwise 1 to 2 times, bring it counterclockwise over the left, and then repeat. And again, braid all the way to the bottom. Once secure, you want to fan out your braids. It's a little bit tricky, but pulling on the outer sides of every twist will do the trick. You can really see the difference here. Now, once both braids are fanned out, begin loosely wrapping them clockwise around one another, and then just secure your ends together by removing your old elastics and just adding one new one. Okay, how beautiful! I told you, it's much simpler than it looks. This actually reminds me of a 5-strand braid I shared years ago, except this technique is much easier. So there we have it. I hope that you liked today's video. Don't forget to let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite. I'm really loving this double rope braided ponytail. It just looks so cool and is surprisingly easy. But if you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.